Hey team, Grant out here. We've had a lot of questions and a lot of excitement around the mobile 3D scan with RTK. We actually have one of our handheld units here with the Emerald Reach RX with the handle and the phone mount and everything. So we have a perfect spot out here. This is actually an exposed trench with some underground utilities going in, and this is a really good opportunity to kind of show you how this process works. So I'm actually going to turn on the Emerald Reach RX, and you'll see here I'm actually in this project and selected the exterior tab because I'm outside, and you can see up at the top it says RX not connected. So here, I don't know if you can see it through my glasses or not, this is a white pulsing light here. When this actually go into connect, and I'm going to select MLID. So you can see here now it's actually changing colors. Now the MLID is actually green, and it looks like it says RX connected up at the top. It looks like it says fixed, which is good to go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide over to that scan icon here, and so now I'm going to hit set location for our 3D scan. So you can see in the bottom left-hand corner, it's actually increasing or counting the number of pictures that it's taking. And similar to the mobile 3D scan on the non-RTK version, I can actually feel a little tactile motion or a little tactile kind of vibration to show when it's taking its photo. So what's really important here is I'm obviously keeping my surroundings in check here of understanding kind of where I'm at in relation to what I'm capturing. And the important part about that is I can still feel with my hand that is actually capturing and taking the photo. That's actually kind of nice and important because I'm actually more focused on what I'm walking around more so than what I'm actually capturing, because the capturing part of it should be pretty straightforward. You're basically just walking around with it and you're making sure that you are most importantly safe, but you can actually feel these little bumps, and you can see this little counter in that bottom left-hand corner that is actually doing its capturing. I can just move a little bit farther back. But this is a really perfect example because I really, again, wanted to capture this before it gets covered up, just in case I need to go back. Let's say I didn't have a drone flight that we did in this area, but we want to capture this before it gets covered. So I've done a loop around. I'm going to go ahead and hit stop, and the scan is finalizing. To upload that, it's going to work the exact same way with the other media uploads that you've done before with panos and walks and things like that here. Just go ahead and hit upload, and it's ready to go. That's pretty much it. It's a really, really cool workflow. What's really nice on the back end, once it's processed, is actually gonna process this as a map, because what it's doing is it's actually using the GPS from the Emerald Reach RX to process that. And you can see it in both 2D from the map view and in 3D. And so in 3D, you can do different things like drop a pin and make sure what those elevation markers are. That's really the benefit of using the MLID device like what you're seeing here. So if you're curious, you want to know more about it, drop us a note or any questions that you have down below. And I hope this was helpful.